Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Meta Quest 3 developer mode for sideloading apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Meta Quest 3 developer mode for sideloading apps, start by ensuring your headset is charged and turned on. Next, take your smartphone or tablet and install the Meta Quest app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Meta Quest app and log in with your Facebook or Meta account. Once logged in, make sure your Meta Quest 3 headset is connected to the app via Bluetooth. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select your Meta Quest 3 headset from the list of available devices. Scroll down to find the Developer Mode option within the headset settings. Toggle the Developer Mode switch to the on position. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions for enabling Developer Mode. After accepting, wait for a few moments as the settings update on your headset. Once completed, put on your Meta Quest 3 headset. From the home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down to find the Device menu. Select Developer or Developer Options. Check that Developer Mode is enabled within the headset settings. Now that Developer Mode is active, you can proceed to sideload apps onto your Meta Quest 3. To sideload apps, you will need a PC or a Mac with the necessary software installed. Download the SideQuest application from the SideQuest website. Install SideQuest on your computer, following the on-screen instructions. Next, connect your Meta Quest 3 headset to your computer using a USB-C cable. You may need to allow USB debugging on your headset when prompted. Once connected, launch the SideQuest application on your computer. Within SideQuest, browse or search for the VR applications you want to sideload. Select the desired application and click on the Install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, disconnect your Meta Quest 3 headset from your computer. Put on the headset and navigate to your library. You should now see the newly installed application ready to use. Enjoy exploring and testing out your sideloaded apps on your Meta Quest 3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.